going on, guys? It is your boy DMFLX2 the Ghost here, bringing you guys a brand new video. Now guys, today I have a good video to bring you guys. Today my package came in EXO Audio. This is lit. You guys are probably asking, what is this? Like, what do you do with it? How do you use it? Well, let's get straight into it, and I'm about to tell you what's. As you guys can see, I have my Beats Studios wired with the wire. You already know what's up. And here I have the EXO Audio. Now, to give you a little background on what this is basically a little small company. They sell adapters for Beats that make them wireless. This is not a sponsor. I just wanted to give it a try because I kept getting tired of the wires. Some of you out there know how I feel. But yeah, instead of using the wire all the time and like slipping it, this part like getting taken out, or you're listening to music and this comes out of your phone, it gets a little annoying sometimes. So I decided to give this a try, and let's get right to it. To let you guys know real quick, this, when I opened it from the package, it literally came with no tape, nothing. It's literally like that. You just literally open it like that, literally. It's pretty cool. I kind of liked it because then I don't have to go to the struggle of like taking out the tape and stuff. But let's get right into it. So the first thing is you can see the box. The model is Mommy Lee. EXO Audio wireless adapters made for Beats Studios. They have it for Beats Studios and Beats Solos. So if you guys have these or the Solos, they have it for both. So let's get into it. I like the box. I'm most definitely keeping this box. Okay, so the first thing you guys see a card. I'm gonna take that out for you guys real quick. So this card, it says www.makeyourbeatswireless.com is for Beats Studio, Solo 2, Solo HDs, and mixers. And then there's their little Instagram @ go check that out. In the back, here's the directions and how to pair it and everything. So let's put that to the side. Here, as you guys can see, that is the wireless adapter. I don't know if you guys can see it really well, but that's how it looks. It looks pretty cool. They come with two different colors. They come with either red or black. I chose black because, like, you know, what doesn't go with black? Anyway, okay, so let me just take this out. Okay, so you guys can see, like, real quick. Let me just take this out real quick. Oh, that looks really nice. Yo, that's pretty cool. Look, this is literally how it looks. EXO, I like the coloring, red, EXO, and black. I like it. Let's put this to the side so you guys can see. Okay, so here is the charging port. This is how you charge it. My guess is this goes right here. Right here, I don't know if you guys can see right there. That's where you charge it. It doesn't come with no box, it just comes with the wire. So I think that's pretty cool. And yeah, that's basically it on the box. So let's see. Let's just, like, you know, let's test this little bad boy out. Let's see. Okay, let's put everything to the side. Okay, so apparently you're supposed to connect this to the Beats. So let's get to the directions. So I just unplugged the wire and I just read the directions. It tells you how to pair it and everything. Obviously I'm not gonna read anything because, like, you know, it's boring. But I kind of got the hang of it. So what basically you have to do is basically you have to connect this into here where you connect the wire. So I'm gonna show you that right now. There we go. So now I'm gonna take you guys to my phone to see if it's gonna connect, because it says if the blue and red light flashes, that means it's ready to connect. So let's check the phone, shall we? It's supposed to appear. There we go. So as soon as you guys see this EXO Audio, just click on it. Okay, so apparently now it says that it's connected, which is really good. Hey guys, so we on this. Alright, so right now I'm about to play a song, and I'm gonna play it low to see how it sounds like if I'm in the car ride or something, and then I'm gonna play it loud to see how it sounds when I take them off. So let's do this. Ooh. Okay, so far it's pretty good. I can hear everything perfectly. I can hear when the beat drops, the bass. I can hear everything in the background. It's pretty cool. So now let's play it. Now let's try and play it with the volume all the way up.
when I went flying off the road. Straight out the gate, I had to find a way to navigate the path to take. I wasn't knowing. Trying to get past the rain, my tail lights was broken off. Camera hit the back of me.
Okay, so as you can tell, volume all the way up. Yo, I give these a 10 out of 10. It's the same thing as if you have the wire plugged in. Yo, that was pretty cool. This is not a sponsorship. I'm just doing it because, like, nobody really talked about these. But, you know, I saw a couple of reviews, but they weren't really that good reviews. So, you know, I figured why not make a video where I actually explain how to do everything from the beginning to the end. It's like you literally have wireless Beats. You don't have to spend another, what, $300 on wireless ones when you can just buy like 30 for this. By the way, they're on sale, so go catch yourself a piece. It's literally, bro, literally is not that bad. Look, put these on. You could be walking, jogging, working out. You can even be laying in bed and you don't have to even walk. You could literally be on your phone like this instead of having the wire. Feel me? So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel. You guys already know XO Audio. I'd give it a 5-star because it's actually pretty good. The battery life would be 6 hours, and to charge it would be 2 hours, so it's really not that bad. So yeah, I'm gonna go play with my phone and listen to some music so while I'm uploading this video. So yeah, this has been your boy DMF. Let's go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next time. Peace.